Okay, so here's this. We're going to do a little explainer video for how to get your digital portfolio done. So you go to Google Classroom, and then you wait. Then you wait. There. So Google Classroom, you pick your class. Almost all of my students have a portfolio at some point in the semester. So anyway, Classwork, and then the portfolio I think was week 4 maybe. We're gonna have another one coming up. There we go. So let's go to assigned, the ones that are not actually here. We'll do this. View assignment, instructions, and here we go. Boom. So here's how you do the digital portfolio. For your name, obviously, Mr. Awesome or whatever, or Mrs. Awesome, whoever you happen to be. All right. Okay, so you click on the first slide, and you got to get rid of this goofball here. Okay, this guy doesn't need to be there, so delete that. What you want to do is put in your own video here. So you hit Insert, Video, and then you have to find it in your computer. Now, I'm not working on a Chromebook, so the layout is going to be a little bit different for you. But most of the time, if you hit Google Drive, anything that you submit to Google Classroom, they make a quick copy of it inside of Drive, and usually you can find it in here somewhere. Okay, so I'm not going to click on these because these are other people's things. But yeah, so usually if you click on My Drive, if you did a good job of naming the videos that you've been posting online, so if you named your video Open String Movement, it'll show up right there. Click on here. Okay, owner me. There you go. I'll pick a video that I did of myself. That way I don't want to embarrass anybody else. All right. And oh, hey, there you go. Oh, look at that. People need access with the you aren't going to see that, but I will. Oh wait, that is definitely not my arm. That's somebody else. All right, we're not going to watch this video, but there you go. So insert video. And you're going to pull it from your Google Drive. It's not likely that it's still on your computer. So worst case scenario, I'm going to hit don't share. So I don't remember who this guy is, and I don't want to. There you go. So yeah, if you're in really dire straits, so if you're having problems trying to find your old videos, you can also do this. If you go back on Google Classroom, my view doesn't look like this, but yours does. When you hit Classwork, there's a place where on the left, sorry, my camera's flipped. On the left where it'll say all of my work, click on that and it'll show you all of the videos that you've already taken for each one of the assignments. I'm fine if you just put a link to the portfolio there. In a perfect world, I would love to have a video on each slide, but at this point, it's week 9 right now. This thing was due back in week 4. So, hey, man, I'll take what I could get. You just get it done. I'm a happy guy. All right. Cool. I hope that makes sense. And then when it's all done, of course, just hit submit and I'll see the slideshow with all your sweet videos on there and we'll call it good. All right.